In the Structure toolbox, view the price list document organization in chapters. And the organization in WBS of the measurement items, with the relative amounts. From the local menu, activate the filter, and view only those items belonging to the selected WBS. Add an entry, and it is automatically associated to the WBS of the active filter. Always from the local menu, you can copy the structure of the WBS from another file, or from the chapters, and produce a quick print of the WBS structure with the relating amounts. On the price list page, you can use the chapter filter instead. In this case, adding an entry, it is automatically associated with the chapters that are currently active filter.